I decided to look more into the Fibonacci numbers. They are numbers that are from a sequence where the next number in the sequence is the sum of the previous two numbers in that sequence. One way to easily visualize that is to use Pascal's triangle, which is pictured right here. Pascal's triangle starts with 3 ones in a pyramid, and then as you go down, you keep adding another 1 to the end, but the middle numbers are determined by adding the two numbers above it. So right here, 1 plus 1 gives you the 2, 1 plus 2 gives you this 3, 2 plus 1 gives you that 3. The next line, 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, and so on. And it just keeps going down, all the way down like that. And as you can see, the numbers start to get bigger, faster, and faster with each line. And Pascal's triangle actually shows how to get the numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. Right here, you see if you draw this line, there's a 1, that's the first number in the sequence. Then there's another 1. Then you do 1 plus 1, that gives you 2. Then you have 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. And those are the numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. What I'm more interested in the Fibonacci sequence is how it relates to nature directly. And you can kind of see that in this sunflower and in other situations like with pine cones. But if you go around the very outside of the sunflower and count how many little swirls go into the middle, and then if you count how many swirls go into the middle going the other direction, so clockwise and then counterclockwise, you end up getting two numbers from the Fibonacci sequence, whether it be a smaller sunflower, so you get 34 and 55, or you get 55 and 89, or 89 and 144. And I personally want to look more into why that is and how people have realized that and what other situations, such as the sunflower, you can find that in.